YouTube video intros are one of those things which give the impression of your channel to the people who see your videos. So, check this intro.
Zombie apocalypse.
Nice. It was a cool animation. Oh, sorry. By the way, welcome to Tech Teach and Help, and in this video, I'm going to show you the one animation that you saw before this clip. Okay, so it was a nice animation and it is made fully free. So you would not believe that it is free, but it is free. Okay, so today we are gonna make this animation in our browser. So I am going to use Google Chrome. So let me open Google Chrome. I use this browser because it is a fast browser and nice also. So after opening the browser, you need to search Panzoid. So as you see, I have searched Panzoid. As you type Panzoid and click enter, you would find this first link as panzoid.com. So you need to go under this link. I have given the same link in the description box. You can check it. So I am opening this link. So as you can see, I have clicked on this link and the browser or the site has been opened. In my last video, I had showed that how you can make a green screen or subscribe animation through this website only. This is a non-sponsored video and that was also a non-sponsored video. So when you open this website, you would get many of the intros like this one, etc, etc. So as you saw that intro, if you want to make the same intro, you can follow my steps, or if you want to make different intros, you can click one of these and also follow the thing which I would follow after clicking on my one. Okay, so let's find it. Some of you would have no need to find it because you would get directly it in these creations. So this is a website where all people from everywhere in the world upload their creations and spread there over the internet. So if you don't get it here, as I am also not getting it here, then you need to scroll down and click on more creations. So as I click on more creations, I would get many of the creations here, but you can use any of these from this place. And when I would open the one which I had showed, so you can also open the same one in that way and you can use it. So I would also tell you that how you can edit it. So here you can search intro like I have done. You need to click on the magnifying glass and then search in the bar intro. If you don't get it, then no problem, as I am also not getting it. So the one which I would use, and I would show you that how to edit it. So I have given the link in the description box, and that would be the same one which you saw in the starting of the video. So for it, I am going directly in the tab where I have opened it. So like this, if you want this one, so I am clicking on this. As you click on this, you would get the same thing like it is here. So I have given the same link in the description box. You can check it and directly go to here. If you want any of these, like this one is a outro, then this is again an intro, one more intro, then you can use any of these. So after you come here, you need to simply click open in Clipmaker. In other ones or the one which you choose to make, the same thing you need to do. So after you enter here, you first need to click on this eye. So it would make a 2D view instead of a 3D view. So as you can see, I have clicked on this eye and now it is red and the 3D bars and everything has gone. So first let us check this animation.
Zombie apocalypse.
So as you can see, it is the same one which you had saw in the starting of the video, but is there some change in this? Let us check it again.
Polygon Zombie Apocalypse.
Yes, you saw that. This is the main change and the main thing that you need in this animation. So it is the text here. So here it is given your name, and as it is a template, there is nothing written instead of your name. So how to edit this text and give your own name to this intro? So now I am going to tell you that how you can do it. So first, for editing this intro, you need to go in this cube like structure. This is a tab in which we would edit it. So you can see I have clicked on this cube. As you click on this cube, you would get something like this in the cube, and then if you don't get this thing like group all, and in the group all bottom of it only you would get the same thing. I think so you would also get this thing, but if you don't get it, you can scroll down and search for it, find it. So now we need to put our two names. As you can see, your is the thing which is given above and name is the thing which is given in the bottom. So here on the same format it is, but we need to give in two things, because as you can see here in the front there is a hard cement like structure, and in the back there is a 3D structure. So we need to give the name to both of them to make it our one. So let's change the text. So for changing the text, first we should go in this tab, and then you need to type your text here. So I am making it for myself. So first let me type my text. As you can see, I have entered here the name, but in the front it is coming your, and in the backward it is coming my name, TechTeach. And you can also notice that it is going out of the screen and it is becoming very large. So for lowering the size or making it small, you need to change the height in the size group. So I am changing the height to around 17. So I have typed 17, and after typing 17 you need to hit enter. So I have hit enter. As you can see, now it is small, but if I would have any other difficulties, then I would also change it afterwards, as you can change it many times and as many times that you want. So here I have clicked on another one. Here your is written. So let me type TechTeach. I have written it, and here also same thing, we need to change the height. So I have done. As you can see, both of them are same, and the upper name has been changed. Now the lower name. So here I am writing my ending name. So I have written in the one block. Now in the second one, here also I have written. So now you can see my text has came and it is looking nice. So let me play it. So as you can see, it is nice, and the same thing you saw in the starting of this video. So it is very simple to make it, and I have given the link of this template in the description box. You can check it, and it is fully free as you saw. But now the main thing, that how you can use this animation in your video. So for this you need to download it. It is awesome, or you can say it's possible or not. So it is a nice website, so here it's possible. So for downloading it, you need to go under this tab, which is below the music tab, and it is the download tab. So I am tapping on it. So as you can see, I have tapped on it and it is asking download your video. So there are two options here. One is mode and other one is format. In the mode one, you can choose 4 parts or 4 options from here. Here render means the exporting speed, so fastest render. Here the speed would be very nice, I mean very fast, but the quality would be, I can say it, worst. Here balance means the speed would be also nice and the quality would also be nice, but not that good, both of them. Then good quality, here the speed would be a bit low and the render, I mean the export quality would be good, and extreme quality, this is the slowest render, I mean slowest one, and here the quality is the best one, the extreme quality, so I am choosing extreme quality. And in the format there are two formats, .mkv and .webm, so I am using .mkv as it is the default one. After choosing these both, you can choose any of these or use my selections only. You need to hit on start video render. So as you can see, I have done it. After you do it, as I have done extreme quality, it would take too much time, so I am skipping this part of video. And after you hit start video render, you would also get the same thing for sure. So as you can see, it is showing 20 minutes, so the video can't be this much big, so I am skipping this part. As you can see, some of my part of rendering is done, but you would think that I am downloading it in .mkv format and it should be in mp4 to use in other videos. So to convert it in mp4, we would use our browser only. So let me show you how to do it. So first you need to go to your browser and then type mkv to mp4. And I have a good news for you. I have a free converter online which can convert as many files as you want from mkv format to mp4. So I have given the link in the description box of this converter. You can check it. So this is the converter and I have given the same link in the description box. You can check it. Here you need to choose your file, and then if you choose your file, so it should be around less than 1.5 GB. As you choose your file, it would open this and you can choose your file. It should be lower than 1 GB as it is written here, and you choose your file and then you hit convert. And after hitting convert, after around what time? Around, yes, 1 minute or 5 minutes maximum, you can convert it and download it to your desktop, or you can say to your PC for fully free. So this is a free converter. I have given the link in the description box. You can check it. So let us go to our editor and you can see still lot of time is there, so I am skipping this part. So as you are able to see that my render is almost complete and now the render has been finished. So in your one also, as in when the render would finish, you would be able to see something like this. And when you are able to see something like this, you need to hit download your video. So I am doing it. So as you hit the download your video button, something like this would appear and it would be in a new tab. If you have changed the settings, then it would be directly downloaded in the downloads folder, or otherwise a save as dialog box would appear before you. So to show you, I am downloading it on desktop. So here I am writing the name as video. So as you can see, it is a mkv file. And now I am pressing save. So as you can see, the download has been done. So let's move to our desktop to see that downloaded file. So let me minimize this Google Chrome, and as you see, I have come to my desktop and here's the animation or the video which we have downloaded. So let me open it. I have double clicked it to open it. And as you can see, I have converted this file to mp4.
Zombie apocalypse.
So as you saw, it was the same file and the same thing that you saw in the starting of the video. So Please use this trick and download and make your own intro in any way that you want. So thank you for watching this video. Please share and subscribe. Thank you.